Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for plant selling business, then this is the best option for you. Here you can see this is a professional website that is based on WordPress, that is built with Astra WordPress theme. So just you can see this is a product section where you can see different products as well as categories and description as well as prices. So just you can add your own products. So let's see how the single product page looks to customers. Here you can see this is a single product page that has product title, price, shipping options, as well as customer can purchase this product just clicking add to cart. After that it has categories, you can add tags and descriptions. So that are the important according to SEO perspectives. After that here you can allow your customers to review your products so that you can build your trust. After that here you can see related products option on the single product page. And if we go to home page, you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some other sections. Just you can add here your own image as well as you can add your contact details. After that here you can see this is testimonial section. And the next here you can see on the bottom it has a footer section that has the subscription box so that your customers will be notified when you add a new products as well as when you add any type of special discount on your store. So in this way you can create your online store to sell your plants. So let's see how we can get this type of website design. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name. And the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers. Just you can replace with your own name servers, and after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that, here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that, you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that, you can select WordPress Brighten, and after that, if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next, you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that, here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that, scroll down, here you can select one of theme. The next, you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here, appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that, you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security. But I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that, you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free version. And after that, I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, the website has clean and simple interface, but we want to add this professional design and functionality in our simple website. So let's see how we can get this. Just go to dashboard. Here you can see. After that, in the dashboard you can find out appearance option. Here you can see appearance. Go to starter templates. Here you can see how starter templates page looks. Just click here and click here. You can see build your website. So now you can select one of the page builder. Just select this one, Elementor, and after that here you can see it contains hundreds of pre-built templates. just we can add. So for example, we have a plants business, just I can add a keyword related to our business. So I can type plant. So here you can see I have got various results as well as templates that are related to my business. So just I can select this one. After that, here you can add your own logo file. If you don't have any logo, just you can scroll down. Here you can see skip and continue. After that, here you can select color scheme. The next, here you can add font style, font family. After that, click here continue. So here you can fill out a simple form. Here you can see just you can add some details. After that, scroll down. Here you can see submit and build my website. So just click here. After that, here you can see we have got a professional website. So if you want to edit this logo, just you can go to customizer option. So here you can see the customizer has been loading. Just you can edit any of the WordPress theme as like this. It has various options on the left side. Just you can find out header builder. Here you can see. After that, click here, you can find out site title and logo. So just click here. The next, you can add your own logo. After that, if you want to change this menu, how you can do that? Just go to menu page. Here you can see how the menu looks in WordPress. So just you can add or remove anything. For example, I can click here and here you can see the remove option. After that, here you can add anything in the menu. So in this way you can edit any type of WordPress website. Just click here save menu. After that, if you want to edit these images as well as content, how you can do that? Just you can find out edit with Elementor on every page. Just click here. After that, here you can see just click here on 6 dots. So this is basically section settings. Just you can go to style tab. After that, here you can see this is a large background image. Just you can find out your images on your laptop and upload here. After that, here you can add or change any type of content. Here you can see when I click, so it has options on the left side. For example, I can add a keyword. So here you can see the text is changing accordingly. After that, here you can go to style tab. So it has a white color that looks great. After that, if you want to change these products, just you can go to dashboard. Here you can find out products option. Just you can add any of the product and remove this one. So in this way you can customize WordPress website according to your requirement. Here you can see this is an example product that how you can add in your website. So just you can copy product title and here we are in dashboard. Just go here in products, click here add new. And after that, here we can add a product title. After that, here we can get some description. After that, you can see on the right side you can add product image. The next you can add here gallery images. After that, you can add price like this. you can add regular price, sale price, and after that you can add gallery images. The next you can set product category. After that you can add product tags. So the next you can add here product description, and after that just you can publish it. How you can accept payments in your WordPress e-commerce website? Just you can go here, WooCommerce settings, after that go to payments. So now here you can add your store details, your country, state, and scroll down. Here you can see by default currency is selected dollars. Just you can change it whatever you want. After that here you can see these are by default options: cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer, and just you can enable one of these, and you can also enable all. After that, if you want to accept payments with PayPal or Stripe, how you can do that? Just you need to install a plugin. Just you can go here, plugin sections, type PayPal, and after that here you can see these are some plugins that you can install. As you can see, the first plugin rating is very down. Just we can install this second one. So it has 5-star ratings and active 52 installations. Just we can install the plugins, and after that we just need to go in plugin settings. Here you can see, just click here on settings, and after that here you can see this is a button connect to PayPal. So just you can directly connect, and here you can see it is loading. Just you can add your PayPal information like login details. After that it will be automatically connected. So the next, these are some options for manual integration. Just you can copy your production client ID from your PayPal account. After that you need a secret key. The next step is just you can add webhook ID. After that just click on save changes. So this is the way that you can get your professional online store for your any type of business.